Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reduce time management issues with Trello. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Start by visiting Trello.com and create a free account if you don't have one. Upon logging in, you will see the Trello dashboard. Click on the Create New Board button to start organizing your tasks. Name your board something relevant, like project management or personal tasks. Choose a background for your board that you find visually. Once your board is created, it's time to set up lists. Click Add a List to create columns for different stages of your tasks. Common list names include To Do, In Progress, and Completed. Add cards to your to-do list by clicking Add a Card. Include a descriptive title for your card to make it easy to identify. You can also add additional details by clicking on the card to open it. Use the description section to elaborate on the task requirements. Set due dates to keep yourself accountable and on track. To add members, click on the Members button inside the card. This is useful for collaborative tasks within a team. You can also attach files and links that are relevant to the task. Moving cards between lists is simple, just drag and drop them. This visual progression helps you see which tasks are pending and which are completed. Consider using labels to categorize tasks by priority or project type. Click Labels in the card to select colors and names that work for you. For repetitive tasks, create a template card that you can easily duplicate. This saves time when you need to set up similar tasks in the future. Utilize the search function to quickly find specific tasks. This is particularly useful when managing multiple projects. Set notifications for upcoming due dates to stay informed. Adjust your board's visibility settings if you want to keep it private or public. Regularly review your board to ensure tasks are up to date. Use Trello's mobile app to manage tasks on the go. With these strategies, you'll be able to reduce time management issues effectively. Trello empowers you to stay organized and on top of your responsibilities. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.